Want to make your Squarespace shop easier to browse? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add product categories to your website. First, log into your Squarespace account. Click Login, then select Continue with Google if you want the fastest way in. Once inside, pick the website where you want to add categories. From your dashboard, head over to Pages and find your Shop or Services page. Next to it, click the little gear icon. This opens the settings. Inside Settings, look for Categories. Here, click Create Category, then type in a clear descriptive name. For example, Clothing, Accessories, or Digital Downloads. Once you're happy, click Add and your new category will appear in the list. And that's it. You've successfully created product categories. This not only keeps your shop organized, but also makes it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials.